Hello and welcome to Alpha Motors here in Wigan. My name's Graham and today I'm going to show you around this 2019 Ford Focus ST Line X. Now this is the 5-door, it's automatic and it's got the 1.5 diesel engine in it. So not only is it absolutely fantastic on fuel, we've got the automatic transmission, so it's silky smooth, paddle shift. But the ST Line X is fully loaded with all the bells and whistles. So the car is finished in ruby red metallic and is sitting on the 18-inch multi-spoke wheels. Now it also has the benefit that somebody's done the calipers in red as well. Now this is a beautiful, beautiful car all round. I've drove it and I'm absolutely blown away with how nice this car drives. Fully loaded, so we've got front and rear parking sensors with reversing camera. Now this car has the parking pilot as well, so if you're brave enough to let the car park itself, it'll find a spot for you and then put you in it. This is an ST line, so it has the full body kit, that of the ST, so very, very sculpted and sporty front bumper. We've got then the signature lights in the LED section there. Forward facing cameras. We've got the head-up display as well, so you can have that on the front windscreen as you're driving along. Sign recognition. Looking down the sides, it's free from any trolley dent. The previous keepers fitted these very, very nice wind deflectors, so you can just keep the windows down and the air doesn't blow in the car. Side skirts, rear diffuser on the back bumper. Then we've got the tailgate spoiler and the rear privacy glass as well, just to finish off that really, really sporty look. Now taking a look from the rear there, we've got the twin tail tailpipe, the reversing camera's just there, 19 plate car with nice miles, just over 30,000. Lovely boot. You can tell that this has been a really cherished car. The boot in itself is in lovely order and there is no real marks on the entrance to the boot. We've got the spare wheel. Yes, a spare wheel. Most cars now come with an inflation kit or none at all, so this has the benefit of if you have a puncture you can carry on your journey. All the wheels are in absolutely A1 condition, beautiful, riding on fantastic tyres. Again, looking down the driver's side, very, very nice indeed. This is one I'd be quite happy myself on the drive. 5 seats in there for comfort for 5 adults. Let's have a look inside. I've got the 2 keys in my pocket. Yes, it's got 2 keys as well. So as we open the door, we are greeted by this lovely ST Line chrome sill plate. We've got electric driver's seat, and then that driver's seat base there, as you can see, is in outstanding order, nearly as good as new. And also the bolster is fantastic as well, as you can see. Minimal wear for 4 years, and as I say, 31,879 miles. Now the ST Line X comes fully loaded, so we get power folding mirrors, we get 4 electric windows. I do like this carbon effect on the doors, very, very nice. Aluminium pedal set, automatic headlamps. And as I jump into the car now, press the brake pedal, green light lights up, starts up, and it jumps into life there. Up onto the top of the dashboard then comes up your head-up display. Could do with a bit of fuel in it. And as you can see there, up you can see, as I'm sat there, it's got the 40-mile-an-hour sign. But we have multifunction steering wheel, all the actual controls there. So lane centre assistance for adaptive cruise control. We've got then speed limiter. We've got lots of super driving aids on this car. Coming down here, we've got the Eco Sport Mode, traction control, parking assistance there, so we can press that, and then it says obviously we're not available to do that because I've not got it in reverse. And then that one there is your head-up display section, so we've got everything there. Location of data, so it must have data sharing on it. So as I go to the screen there, we've got audio with DAB, we've got Bluetooth phone, we've got satellite navigation system. Okay, so yeah, built-in nav, mobile app, so once you connect your phone, everything comes onto here with your Apple CarPlay, etc. And as you scroll along, Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, we'll need to connect the phone obviously to get those functions to work. Other than that, we have climate control, air conditioning, heated seats, heated windscreen, the fully loaded, fully kitted up motor car with a USB there to charge your phone. We then got a lovely, it says center armrest that slides in and out there. Place to just put your phone as well. I don't smoke, and I can tell the last keeper didn't smoke in this car. Carbon effect detail throughout, lovely, lovely. And then leather seats part, and then with the sports cloth red stitch. What more could you want? Black headlining, very, very nice. Even still smells new, this car, which you'd expect for 31,800 miles. Now, we've sold this car before. It was actually one of our employees whose it was. His wife bought it from us when it first came in a couple of years ago, and they just part exchanged it for a new vehicle. So it's been serviced and maintained by our own workshops whilst it's been in our care for the last couple of years. 3 services at Alfa and 1 at Ford. Lovely motor. What more can I say? So we've got 2 keys, full book pack, everything that was given to the first keeper when it was new. Very rare and desirable automatic diesel 5-door ST line. Yes, yes, yes. So if you'd like to reserve this here at Alfa, give me a call. I'll take a £250 fully refundable reservation fee, and that will then get the car ready for you, so you only need to visit Wigan once. Once you've test drove it, happy with it, you can do a pay for it on a banking app. If you need finance, give us a call, we'll give you the quote. And if you've got part exchange, we'll give you the price over the phone. And one minus the other is the cost of change. It's exciting, it's fun, the cars are prepared to the highest of standards. Have a look on our reviews, you'll see that we are a 5-star dealer, have been now for many years. Same family, I've been an owner of this business for over 40 years now. Have a look on our Facebook page, you'll see lots of customers from all over the UK reserving their cars and then coming just once to collect it, bring in their part exchange. We do the deal there and then on the day. You drive home in your new car. Easy, simple, fun. I'm Graham, there's Dominic and Lee. We will be happy to help you in any way we can. But as for now, thanks for watching the video, and I look forward to your inquiry.